Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a dish that's perfect if you can handle some heat. Spicy stir-fried chicken bites. Here I've got 2 chicken thighs from the store. First, let's debone them. I'm using scissors. Safer and easier to control, but still be careful. Once the bones are out, I peel off the skin. Then slice the meat into strips. And finally, cut them into bite-sized cubes. Now let's marinate. In the bowl, add 1½ tablespoons of cooking wine, 1½ tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Use your hand to mix everything well. You will notice the sauce gets fully absorbed. See how the bowls almost dry at the bottom? That's what we want. Now sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. This helps lock in moisture so the chicken stays juicy. Last step, drizzle a little oil over the top. That prevents sticking later when we stir fry. Let's prepare some bird's eye chili and long green chilies. Cut them into little rings. And a few chunks of garlic and ginger as well. Okay, let's start cooking. Once the oil is hot, dip your chopsticks in. If the bubbles up within 3 seconds, the oil is ready. Toss in the chicken, but don't stir fry just yet. Let it sit for 2 to 3 seconds to set its shape. Then gently stir it around. Look at that sizzle. If you like it tender, take the chicken out once it changes the color. In the wok, heat up some oil. Drop in the ginger and garlic. And stir until fragrant. Then in go the chilies. Give them a quick toast. Now bring the chicken back in. And we are going to season it up. 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, ½ a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon each of sugar and MSG. Crank up the heat and toast everything together until the flavors blend and the sauce clings to the meat. Just before serving, a final drizzle of sesame oil or cooking oil to gloss it up. And we are done. Here's our finished dish. Can you smell that? It's amazing. This is so good. Rich in flavor, tender and juicy. Every bite is so delight. Go and give it a try yourself. And thanks for watching. See you next time.